Go to your edit. Freeze or take a picture of the first frame where you want the transition. Put it where you want. Split it like me. Split it like me again. Add the animation called flip. Make it half the video. Go on out and add flip. Go on the other clip and add just flip at the start. Now adjust the scale to 60 for present. Now add a keyframe on position at the start and at the end. Position it like me. Now add a graph to make it smoother. Now add a keyframe on scale at the start and the end. On the end keyframe, make it 100%. Now add graphs to make it smoother.